Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. This is a quickie unboxing, but I want to do a big shout out to Andover Fabrics. They have sent me some amazing goodies for 2022 projects, and I want to quickly go through it with you and share with you the yummy stuff I got. So first up, they sent me these beautiful solids from the Cowl. These are all, I believe, fat quarter bundles, which is perfect for when I'm doing ruler demos or small block demos. And I have some really big ideas about doing a series of videos on color because I think we could all use a little crash course in how to put fabrics together to make yummy quilts. So first up is these beautiful, there we go. These beautiful solids from Cowl, which is a sister company to Andover. Then she sent me these beauties. These are all very much classic colors, I guess you would say. You know, there's some navies and field blues and some greens. And I'm not going to open these right now, but I do want to share them with you so you can just get a peek. There we go. So very soft muted palette. So, and this one is Deco from Juicy Juice. There's some beautiful, you know, very muted colors again in this group. Very Art Deco in the designs. There's, let's see here. We've got this one. We've got the really pretty arches, diamonds, more arches. So just a couple different designs, but a bunch of yummy colors. And again, this is called a Deco. So let's see, these other ones have names on them and I missed it. Nope, just that one. All right, so that one is Deco. Then we've got Pulsar. These, I believe, are Allison Glass collections. I had asked her to send me a bunch of her newer basics and newer collections because absolutely love how she puts her colors together. They're not like bright primary colors, but yet they're still bright and they just are so fun to work with. The scale is right. And I believe these kind of look like batiks. They may be batiks. All right, then we have this one, which is called Hopscotch. And this one's got some more pastel and grays in it. Again, super colorful palette to work with. So we've got that one. And then last but not least is Luminance. And this one I love because it has a line art of white with the color and then the tone on tone, and then we go into the darker color. So you get 3 in a family, it looks like, and then we go into that. So this is a really nice example of how colors work together, and I am super excited to play with that. But then they were even more generous. They sent me half-yard cuts of their newest solids. This is called Century Solids. This is the red. And I have to tell you that the hand on these is so beautiful. It's super soft, has a little bit of a sheen. And you can see here they cut them and they're not super frayy. They're not like falling apart in my hand. And they sent me a ton of colors, which I need to actually check in here and make sure I know which colors I have as we start planning, but I wanted to just stack these up and share them with you. Again, a really big shout out to Andover for sending these to us. I am very excited to get to use these in the coming year. If you've been following us for a while, you know we did a block of the month last year, and that was all these little characters each month, and I was working with another group of designers. I think they have stopped that series, so I may just start my own applique block of the month this year, and these colors are going to be the ones I use. And there you go, this huge rainbow of solids. So these are all the yummy goodies we've gotten from Andover this month for projects for 2022. I cannot wait to start diving into some of these. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you click the bell if you want to be notified when we do other videos, and like and subscribe. And make sure to leave in the comments below, what is your favorite solids to go to when you're doing a project? These again are Century Solids from Andover, and I cannot wait to try them because the hand on them is so luscious and the colors are so vibrant. So until next time, thanks for watching.